Look at this, they're trying to steal my San Light already. Oh, I want a San Light. See, this MP light, to me, is like poison. If I drink that, the next day I want to kill myself. And it's the same with the Red Horse, I can't drink it. I can only drink the San Light, next day I'm fine. So here we go, it's buzzing. Most of the kids are in here, keeping Matthew in there because he'll be into everything. And I don't want him round the fire. How's the barbecue coming, girls?
It's good.
Yeah. They've got chicken.
It's chicken barbecue. It's chicken.
Cooking chicken now, look. Have you put any sauce on it? The chicken? I'm saying sauce because
we have sauce. Only water.
I know it's a bit dark, guys, but there's not a deal I can do about it. No, I've cleaned the lens. I think it looks alright.
Remember your brother. Yes, may katupak, ganun.
So here's my little girl, look. Although she's not so little, is she? See her cheek here. It's got a big. She's got a big lump in her cheek.
Sophia, beautiful eyes. Sophia, beautiful eyes. Sophie, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. No, you don't want. You don't want.
So for the pelutan, we did some fries. And yeah, chocolate. I'm not getting excited, am I? There's not much in the way of pelutan at the minute. But I'm having the last of these fries because they're really yummy. Yeah, guys, there goes my diet. So, if you come to the Philippines and you don't want kids around you, don't come to the Philippines. Because big families mean lots of kids. Look what we've got though, we've got chips.
Thank you, Matthew.
What? He likes everybody but his dad, because his dad tells him off. It's the only time he behaves when he's with Elsa. Oh my God, look at all the chocolate. Right? Everybody will be overdosing on chocolate, won't they, Mel?
Yeah. I have no chocolate yet.
No? Yeah, she took the chocolate out of the box so it didn't melt. She's put it in the freezer, hasn't she?
No, there's no freezer in their house.
I thought she put it in the shop.
No, there's only there in that room. Oh, since it's in the in the room. Because there's an aircon there.
What? They leave the aircon on all the time? Well, there you go then. That room heats up because it's got no windows in it, has it?
Yeah.
Well, it's getting a bit noisy and a bit crowded now. Look, there's some more people arrive, as you can see. I was digging into the chicken and then I come across a bit that wasn't cooked. So I'm sorry, but I've got to give it a 6 out of 10 for the chicken. The marinade was very nice though.
Thank you.
Kim did the marinade.
Yeah.
So it's very nice. But I'm afraid it's 6 out of 10, Annie, for the cooking because some of it was raw. Yeah.
Sorry for that.
Well, if I milk tomorrow, there's going to be a lawyer involved.
They just grill the fish.
We're cooking the fish now, are we? That's not a whole chicken gone, has it?
Later again.
Oh, so we've got some more cooking to do, right? Because
It's hard to grill.
I couldn't eat all my chicken because it wasn't cooked.
It's hard to grill.
That's the problem, you know. I'd cook some chicken, but I can't do the marinade. Yeah, I know. Right.
May bawang sibuyas.
I thought it come out of a bottle. I didn't realise he made it. So this is what you get when you come to the Philippines, guys. And this is what I'm saying. It is really, really hard to be on a diet here and to eat healthily. And I mean, look, Pringles. The chicken's healthy and the fish is healthy. Normally they'd have a big bowl of rice here and baboy, which is pig. Yeah, budel fight. We're going to have a budel fight. We said we're going to have a budel fight.
Yeah, it's always said.
Well, as soon as we've got some money, we'll have a budel fight. And the other thing is as well, guys, you know, if you come here and something like this is going on, we'll invite you if you're one of our subscribers, especially if you're one of our patrons. If you come here and there's something going off, you know, you're more than welcome to come and join in. And it'll be nice to see you as well, obviously. I like meeting my patrons and subscribers. Talking of patron, it seems that I lose 2 and gain 1. I gained 1 other day and then lost 2 straight away. So, as I've said in the past, if you'd like to become a patron, any time's a good time, but now's a really good time.
Do you know that guy?
That guy, I've seen him before. Oh, in the yellow. No, who are you? Are you foreign? Are you
Foreigner.
Are you foreigner? You're from the Philippines.
You know I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
Kiana's dad.
It's what?
Kiana's dad.
Oh yeah, I saw him the other day. He can't speak English, can he? Yeah.
The ex-partner of Grace.
Yeah. Ex-husband. All right. Is that why she's walking around looking a bit mad? I'm a little bit annoyed because typical in the Philippines, right? Bought some bottles of Samig just for me because I don't like drinking the other one, right? And I put them in the ice bucket and people's just going in and taking my Samig. But you can't go up to them and say, "Oh, oi, that's mine," because then you're bad. You know? So looks like I'm going to have to buy some more. It's outrageous. So as you can see, the pollutant isn't coming fast enough, and there isn't enough really for everybody that's here. So you can't see the chicken. They're putting more chicken on. Now the last couple of pieces of chicken I got, they weren't cooked properly. I know it sounds like I'm moaning, but I don't want to be ill. And they were just chewy and bloody. Instead of being white and soft.
Nini, lumayas ka dyan! Nini, dahil ka nagdadangog ano? Ay, sorry. Nini, come here.
Now my son has been quite well behaved, which is amazing, because he's normally really, really bad. But it's been really quite good. And he's took to Mel's sister's boyfriend. He sits on his knee really quiet. Again, that's unusual for Matthew. Who did... You know when we went to see Adrian, what was that guy's name again at Adrian's? Who, Matthew? Malcolm. Yeah, when we went to see Adrian, Malcolm could take Matthew and calm him down. Matthew would sit on his knee and just be quiet. But even when he's on my knee, he's slapping me, he's pulling me face. He just won't sit still. And I'm his dad. So look at that. Another sandwich lined up. The boys drink the other one. And it's my sandwich. It's not fair. But it's really nice. It's cooled down a lot more from when we came. It's not as hot. Even though there's no breeze. And everybody's enjoying themselves, so that's the main thing. I'm hoping you can see. Yeah, I think you can, can't you? I've wiped the lens so it shouldn't be misty. So I'm guessing that's about it, guys. There's not a lot more going to happen. Ice has come. This is Mel's cousin who looks after our kids. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
But wait! There's more!
Bye.
Watch up,
So here we go. What time is it? It's 20 past 11. And some of them are merry. Who's not been drinking? Kim's not drinking because she's pregnant. She said she didn't want to drink, then all of a sudden she's drinking. Joy's always drinking. She's only just come up, she's not drinking. Mike is drinking. Her boyfriend's drinking. These two are pretty much that. I nearly said the P word then. And these have just arrived, so he's had about, I don't know, one glass of drink, that's it. And I've had about 6 sandwiches. So we're all feeling a bit merry. Apart from the ones that's not been drinking, obviously. Annie's done most of the cooking. She hasn't had a drink, which is unusual for Annie because she likes a drink.
Beautiful eyes.
So I wanted to show you near enough the end of the night. My kids won't go to sleep. She should have been asleep an hour ago, but she won't go to sleep. Matthew's the same. He's fighting.
Wala ibang gumagamit tinidor?
So this is what you can expect when you come to the Philippines. Because there's not many Filipino families that are big, but the UK family is massive. And then you've got friends and neighbours and all the rest of it. So, there you go.
Para tikim-tikim lang.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping